This is the brief on AI-assisted playwright testing. So, Playwright is a fantastic framework for automating web app testing, but honestly, managing those massive test suites takes a ton of manual effort. That's exactly why integrating AI is a real game changer, making the whole process smarter, faster, and way easier to maintain. First, let's dive into how AI handles the heavy lifting with intelligent scripting and smart locators. By using natural language processing and machine learning, it literally translates your human-readable requirements directly into Playwright test scripts. It also generates your locators, which is just a fancy term for the code telling your test exactly where to find a specific button or text field. Think of these AI locators like a really smart GPS. Instead of memorizing a rigid route that completely fails if a single road is closed, it actually understands your destination. Second, we've got to talk about self-healing automation. In traditional testing, the second a web app's UI changes, those automated tests break and demand manual fixes, right? Well, AI introduces self-healing, automatically adapting your tests to unexpected element changes right on the fly. But wait, you might be wondering, if the AI is constantly healing the test just to force it to pass, how do we know it isn't simply covering up an actual broken feature in the app? Finally, that exact question brings us to the absolute necessity of human oversight. Because self-healing could inadvertently hide genuine application defects, human testing expertise is still 100% essential. Testers must continuously review AI-generated scripts, validate recommendations, and manage test data security. AI basically just reduces the repetitive grunt work so you can focus on high-level exploratory testing and risk analysis. Ultimately, by blending Playwright automation, AI capabilities, and human expertise, teams can deliver better software through a highly scalable, future-ready testing strategy.